Hey guys, it's Awesome Boolean. Today I'm going to be doing a SPY day trading recap. Yes, as you've seen in the thumbnail, it was a losing day, but not much. What I traded, the way I traded this one, usually always works, but the market is just a little crazy today. I'm still sticking to my plan. I still like how I trade. Today was just not one of those days. I cut my losses early. So that I can live to fight another day. So let's take a look at today. So hopefully this pulls up correct. Okay, here we go. So overnight, President of China spoke about the trade wars or whatnot. I think it was something about he was very open to, I don't know, negotiate. I don't know what he said. Something. It made it shoot up to yesterday's highs overnight, and then we pulled back and we consolidated here. And as normal, I said from yesterday's recap that when we shoot up, we tend to have a pullback. This pullback wasn't as clean because it wasn't into resistance as before, as I can show you SPX. So if we look here, it was a gap up straight into resistance. So it was a nice flush down. And the same on the previous days. Why am I only going back 2 days? Same on previous days. So that was today's gap up. And that was the day before's gap up. That was a gap down into support. Okay, so the gap up, you see into resistance, it's a nice flush down. But today, it was just a gap up. Not really, because our resistance was here, so we were just in the middle of it. So it wasn't a straight flush down. It teetered, but it still went down. And then, of course, we had that continued finish up. I was looking at SPX the whole time because I wanted to trade SPX. And as I was following it, I was watching. Obviously, here we saw this triangle breakout, but I didn't catch it soon enough. And then I was like, all right, I'll catch it on the bounce here. It didn't bounce like it usually does. It gave that space, so I didn't enter. And then it went up to here, and then I had to go to class. And of course, when I'm in class, the market drops just like yesterday. But let's look at exactly what I did to SPY. So I came in for a power hour trade, which is the last hour or two of the day. Usually almost every time, I can't say every time, but a lot, when a stock or these stocks break up above, for the ETFs I should say, break above the EMA line, they form little, okay, so let's just show you. They break above, they form a little support on the EMA before continuing up. It's the same thing when it's going down. They break down, they form a little support, and then they continue breaking down. That almost always happens. So we had this flush down. I saw some consolidation here. I bought in. And then we started to see this flush down, and the next thing you know, we're shooting up. So I covered a loss of $10. That's because my trade size was small. I like to keep my trade size small, especially since it's my first day on the Tastyworks account of being able to actually trade it. So I got this. The reason why this was the worst trade ever is because I saw that we were going to have some consolidation here and then a breakdown to this trend line. And the reason why this sucks is because it did exactly what I thought, just not when I thought. So it broke above, and I covered some, or I took a loss, and then it consolidated here into a triangle before continuing to break down to this trend line. So today sucked overall for me because the best trades of the day, this huge drop, this huge pullback, I didn't get to capitalize on. And then I came in here and I had the right idea, and it wasn't the right timing. So as you can see, guys, it's all about timing. You have to trust your strategy. Just because this didn't work for me this time doesn't mean it will never work. I just have to accept that sometimes it doesn't work. It is a market that is not 100% predictable. So it didn't work this time. Too bad, whatever. I had a small loss. I can still trade a lot, so tomorrow I'm fine. So I hope y'all just understood what happened here and how sometimes it's not your fault, you just get psyched out. Alright, I hope y'all learned something from today's recap, and I hope y'all did well today. Alright, the link for the option traders below if you want to talk to me or talk to anybody who's an experienced trader, because they are all there willing to learn and help others. Alright, bye.